Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. So in this video, I'll try to talk about the cryptocurrency and what is the application which we can mine using the mobile phone. So this is the first time, friends, I'm doing this kind of video on this cryptocurrency topic. I never spoke anything about the cryptocurrency, but right now there's a lot of trend going on that by using your mobile phone, we can actually do a lot of mining. So there's a couple of applications which are available in the market, and don't try unless you know everything about the application, friends. So usually I did my research on this particular application, so which I did feel a lot of positive comments and reviews. So all the applications which I'll be mentioning in this video, I'll be leaving the links in the description, friends. So try to use those links to download these applications. And here is a couple of questions which I'll be talking in this particular video. So try to watch entire video, friends. Don't skip any part. If you try to skip, you will be just losing all the information and knowledge. So I did gather my own information, and make sure to correct me if I speak anything wrong, because this is my first time I'm doing the cryptocurrency or topic in my channel. So right now I did use 10 mobile phones and are running the same application in all the phones. And in this video, I'll try to cover why you need to do and what are the applications and how many applications you need to download, and what is the income per day per phone. We'll try to calculate how much is the income per phone per day. So phone need to be turned on throughout the time or not. These are normal questions which I'll be getting, that whether the phone should be on throughout the time. So what we can do with that, and how to withdraw the money from this application to your Indian bank accounts. So this is the most important thing, so which I'll be speaking about all these things in this entire video, friends. So make sure to watch till end of the video. Don't try to skip any topic at all. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So only target for this video is to reach to 1000 likes. So definitely, friends, for this video I need 1000 likes. Only then I'll be able to buy the pro versions what are available for this application. So right now I'm using completely free, so everything is free version I'm using. So I'll try to talk about what are the advantages and disadvantages of using the free version as well. So make sure to hit that like targets very soon as 1000 likes. So once I reach the 1000 likes, then I'll be able to buy the pro versions, and all those features I'll try to explain in another video. So if you're interested to know this kind of cryptocurrency topic, so make sure to comment below. Definitely I'll do my research and I'll gather the information. I'll try to do the videos as much as possible. So this is the first application which I'll be trying to show you. So make sure to check the links in the description or in the comments for that what is the application link. So try to use that link. The reason why I'm saying to use that link, because the more people join using that link, we'll be getting a lot of users mining from same link. So that will boost all the incomes for all the pool members who are joined in that particular link. So that's why my YouTube channel has got a lot of people. So this will be the perfect platform to share with a lot of users. So this will be definitely benefiting all the users who will be joining using the link. So make sure to check the links in description or in the comments. Also I'll try to pin that links, all the applications which are necessary for this information. So first, this is the link, friends, which you need to click on that. So try to click on that link, and as soon as you click, it will be taking you to this web page. So the application name is called Crypto Tab, as you can see, friends. So by using this Crypto Tab application, you can actually mine directly from your mobile phone. So that's the best part about this application. So it's completely free. There's actually a pro version as well, which will cost about 210 Indian rupees. So 210 Indian rupees it will cost around. So as I said, if you reach that likes target, definitely I'll try to buy the pro version, and I'll try to talk about those in details in the next video. So once you download by clicking my link and just download this application. So for this you need first Crypto Tab application, and next you need Crypto Tab VPN. So it's better to use the VPN as well from the Crypto Tab, which they will be providing. So once you download this application, just click open. So once you sign up using the Google ID, so directly you can just click on this Crypto Tab dashboard. So this will take you to the main menu screen. As you can see, this will click here. So just click on this tab which says sign up with the Google. So once you click on the sign up with the Google, so this will take you to the Google email IDs what is available. Just click on the email ID. So then you'll get the option which is called enable mining. So once you click that option, it will ask you to download another application which is called Crypto Tab VPN. So this application works only with this VPN application, friends. So you need to download two applications compulsory. So one is the CryptoTab browser and next is a CryptoTab tab VPN. So these two applications are must necessary to this to do the mining in your smartphone. So once you start using these two applications, straightforward, friends, just click on enable mining and you will start seeing the numbers on the top, as you can see. So it doesn't matter what phone you use. So that is another biggest question. So what type of phone you are using? Is it low-end mobile phone or is it high-end mobile phone? Doesn't matter at all. So it should be a basic Android mobile phone. So right now I'm having the Snapdragon 888 processor chipset from the Mi11 device. As you can see, friends, Mi11 device. And even I do have the other low-end performed mobile phones as well, like POCO M2 Pro and POCO X3 and other phones. They're having the same scores. So all the phones are having the same numbers, as you can see. So same 1500, 1500, 1500, it doesn't matter. So what type of Android phone you're using, it doesn't matter. So you'll be always getting this kind of same score only, as you can see, 1500. So this is a basic score. So if you use this kind of free version, everything is free. So you will be earning about 0.04 USD per day. So this is how much you will be earning per day, friends, continuously. I did try to do continuous test on one single day. So this is how much, I think on this phone I did test yesterday. As you can see, per day you will be earning about 0.04 USD dollars. So if you convert into USD to the Indian rupees, it will be approximately close to 3 rupees. So per day you are earning like 3 rupees and per month it will be close to 90 to 100 rupees. So now you need to decide, friends, is it worth of using this application or not? One thing is that one of the advantage, so application no need to be running. So let's start with the basic steps. So we got with the why, because now a lot of users are into the cryptocurrency and definitely this market will be booming a lot. So why is finished and how many applications do you need? So right now I said two application. Third application will be useful to withdraw the money. So that is the most important application. As you can see, friends, now we spoke about the income as well. So per day with one phone you will be earning about 3 rupees. So with one phone. So if you have multiple phones, so try to use my links which will be available in the description and the comment below. Use that link and you can join and you can create more Google IDs. So try to create each phone with the one unique Google ID, and then you can start earning money from each smartphone. So right now I do have I think 10 smartphones, as you can see, friends. So 10 devices I'm having here right now. So if I run continuously 24/7, so I'll be able to generate maybe 10 into 3, so 30 rupees per day. That will be coming close to 1000 rupees per month with only these 10 smartphones. But there is one catch. So phone need to be turned on or not? This is another question. So phone need not to be turned on, but for every 2 hours you need to click check-in. So there is a drawback. This is one drawback, friends. So before it used to be, I think 4 or 5 hours, but later on they decreased because a lot of people they start to use. So for every 2 hours you'll get this kind of timer. So for every 2 hours you need to click enable mining. So only then it will start processing. Otherwise it will go into the ideal state and you won't get any income. So every time you need to start clicking enable mining for every 2 hours. So you need to always remember for 2 hours you need to start clicking. So that is only one drawback. But once you click that, you can use your phone as normal. So you can use your phone as normal. You can watch YouTube videos. You can do WhatsApp video call, nothing. In the background, the application will keep on running. So that is the one advantage. You should not keep this application every time open. So usually why I kept this application open is because I want to see exactly the timing and everything. So every time I no need to open the application. So it will be very much visible for me. So that is the reason why I kept this kind of all the applications open. But for the normal day-to-day usage, you can just close the application and it can run in the background. So next option, you can do one thing. So go to the developer options of your mobile phone and try to enable this option, keep screen on while charging. So what this will do is that if you're running this many phones, definitely the power will be consuming a lot. So you need to just decrease the brightness in all the phones and try to plug it in the charge and try to enable this option. So this will keep the screen on throughout the time when the phone is charging. So this is how I do it, friends. So definitely you can try this kind of application and make sure to click the link. As I said, the more people join, the more benefits we'll be getting in this pool. So make sure to click that. And the final question comes, how to withdraw the money from this application to the Indian bank account rupees. So let me try to ask. This is complete another big video, friends. So I'll try to talk in the short video, like a short format. So let me try to explain. So when you click withdraw button on this crypto tab, as you can see, it will display the message you do not have the enough coins. So right now we need the minimum. So minimum we need this much of BTS, as you can see, Bitcoin. So 0.0011, as you can see. So let me try to copy. So let me try to copy, and let me try to show you what will be the USD exactly, how much they are looking for. Let me try to show you, friends. Copy and paste to USD. So you should be earning minimum 0.5 USD. So when you see the 0.52 USD, only then you will be able to withdraw the balance. So right now, for example, in this phone, as you can see, friends, we are seeing only 0.04, as you can see, 0.04. So by the time you reach 0.52, only then you can get the option to withdraw. So once you get that kind of option, for example, suppose you got your balance of 0.52 or 0.60, so that's above this volume, so you can withdraw. How to withdraw now? So once you got the money, sufficient money to withdraw, then you need to enter the Bitcoin wallet address, as you can see. So Bitcoin wallet address. So this is where the third application will be coming to helpful. So third application, which is right now available in Indian market as well. So you can actually download directly from the Play Store. So let me try to enter. So this is the application, friends, which is called the WazirX application, so which is available right now for the Indian market as well. So try to use the links in the description, friends, to download this application as well. So total you will be needing 2 links. So one link for the Crypto tab browser to join in my pool. Even you can join in my WazirX as well links, as you can see. So all the links will be available in the description below, friends. So once you create your account in this application, so it doesn't take much time. So you need to just submit a few of the documents like PAN card and Aadhaar card and bank account details and everything. So it will get verified within 30 minutes of time. So once the account has been verified from this application, so in this there is a Bitcoin. So here you can generate your own wallet address. So this wallet address you need to copy and paste in this Crypto tab. So from this Crypto tab, it can directly transfer to this WazirX Bitcoin account. So this is a way you need to download, friends. So this is a way you can withdraw from the Crypto tab application to the Indian bank accounts. So once it got added into this WazirX, then you can immediately withdraw from this account, this application, to your Indian bank account. So this is a way to do it. So first, let me try to explain it again shortly. So I know it's kind of lot of information in one video. So first you need first link to download this Crypto tab application. So once you download the Crypto tab, so then after you reach that limit, then you can withdraw. So for that you need second application, which is called WazirX application. So try to use the links as well to download that application. Once you create a account in that, then you'll get your own Bitcoin wallet address. That Bitcoin wallet address you need to copy and paste in this Crypto tab. So then the transaction will happen from this application to that WazirX application wallet. So this is how you need to do it, friends. So don't forget. So very soon, once I reach that threshold value of 0.55 USD, I'll try to withdraw and I'll try to show you the proof and I'll try to explain again in separate video. So meanwhile, this is my first attempt in making this kind of videos, friends. So make sure to correct me if I say anything wrong. So don't forget to comment below as well, as I said. So definitely even this will be my first time experiment doing the cryptocurrency mining on the Android mobile phones. So there is nothing to invest in this. So you're not investing anything. So you're just investing little bit of time every time, just enabling just by tapping on that button. That's it. So you're not doing anything much. So you can ask me why they are providing this kind of free crypto mining. So this Crypto tab application, they get a lot of like some money from displaying the advertisements. So every time you click enable mining, you'll get some kind of video sometimes. So through that they'll be earning some kind of income. So this is how they will be giving some coins to all the users. So that's it, friends. This is a quick and I think not short, maybe long and lengthy procedure how you can actually do this kind of mining in all the 10 phones together. The more phones you have, the more money you will be making. So as I said, it doesn't depend upon what type of phone you're using. And there is one more way as well, by using this cloud boost, which will be helpful to increase the units as well. The speed you can increase. If you want 2x speed or 5x or 10x or 15x speed as well, you can increase. So by using this, you will be earning more money than usual. So if you use 2x, you will be earning 6 rupees per day, and 5x maybe you will be earning up to 15 to 20 rupees per day. 15x, it depends, friends. So this is how all the boost also works. So as I said, if we reach the target of 1000 likes for this video, so definitely I'll try to buy one of the booster and I'll try to make a video on that topic as well very soon. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, for those interesting topics and videos as well. Don't forget to comment below what are your thoughts, and as usual, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.